As an update to my progress after breaking my hip 50 days ago, I'm doing quite well. I'm taking part in my physical therapy down at the Hartford Healthcare Center, and I'm also doing some exercises that were given to me here at home. So it's working out quite well. Now, one of the things that I have been wanting to do, as you know, is get back on my bicycle. And I haven't been able to do that because to date I still can't lift my leg up over the bar to ride a bicycle. So I was happy to find out that they had a recumbent bike at the Hartford Healthcare Center. However, they only let me to ride it 10 minutes of my 30-minute allotted time when I visit them twice a week. So Jan looked on Craigslist this past week and she found a recumbent bicycle. And the ad said, like new, under $150. So we went, took a look at it, bought it, got it home, and here I am enjoying it. So now I can ride whenever I want to until I can get on the bike next to me. Then after I can do that for a while, of course, I'll be transitioning to outside. So what are my videos going to be over the next couple of months? Well, I'm not going to be taking any long distance bike rides. You see, the doctor has put me on blood thinners. And I'm going to be on blood thinners at least till the end of June. And that means I'm not going to go on any long distance bicycle tour by myself and risk falling over and having either internal bleeding or external bleeding, which would be rather catastrophic. So once I can get out, I'm going to be sticking close to home. I have a couple of short rides planned and I can't wait to share those with you. As far as other videos I'm going to do that don't involve riding my bike on the road or on a bike trail, a company sent me a bike rack that's tailored for e-bikes that you can hang off the back end of your car. So I'm looking forward to testing that out and giving it a review for those who have e-bikes that may be looking for a solution to get it from their house to a trail. I'm also looking forward to reviewing another e-bike from the Hovsco company. I've reviewed a few of their bikes and I've got to tell you, they're top quality. And their prices are very competitive, if not better, than other bikes of similar quality that are out there in the marketplace. And I mentioned to you once before that somebody sent me these glasses that when you wear them, you can actually see what your Garmin sees or your Wahoo, whatever your bicycle computer sees, right on the lenses. So I'm looking forward to seeing if those are any good and if that's something I could use or recommend that anybody else could use in the future. Bottom line is, I'll start making a video, and if I don't like the product, I won't complete the video. I'll send the product back and you'll never know other than what I'm telling you right now. So anyway, that's really all I've got to say for today, and I'd like to thank you for tuning in once again. Can't wait to get back outside again and riding and walking around. Looking forward to it. It's not that far away. So once again, thanks, and as always, have a great day and happy pedaling.